In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Notion. Notion, if you're not aware, is a versatile workspace tool that allows you to manage your notes, projects, and documentation seamlessly. One thing you might notice, however, is that it doesn't exactly allow you to merge table cells like traditional spreadsheet software does. But worry not, we've got a workaround for that, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up Notion. If you're new to Notion, you can do this simply by opening the app on your device or visiting the Notion website via your browser. Once you've got Notion open, the next thing you'll need to do is either open a page that you've already created or start a fresh one if you're testing this out for the first time. Either way, you need to have a table ready where you aim to merge the cells conceptually. Now, in traditional spreadsheet tools, merging means we combine multiple cells into one. Since we can't literally do that in Notion, what we can do instead is essentially work with one cell and expand its contents to give the illusion of merging. Just delete any extra cells that you would have liked to merge. This means you'll need to consolidate the information you intended for multiple cells into one. That might sound a bit tricky, but I'll show you a neat trick to help with that. Next, to ensure your text is nicely organized inside the single cell, you can use line breaks. This is where pressing Shift+Enter becomes your best friend. So once you have your content ready, rather than keeping it jumbled, by using Shift+Enter, you can format your information with line breaks, making it clear and organized within the cell you're focusing on. Finally, to effectively pull off this merging illusion, it's crucial to adjust the column width. Notion allows you to resize columns within your tables, so dragging the column divider can help ensure that your content fits well without looking cramped. Play around with the width until all the information is visible and aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it. That's a simple method to give the appearance of merged cells in Notion. Remember, even though it's not actual merging, this approach can be incredibly useful for keeping your tables neat and organized. I hope you find these tips helpful for your Notion journey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a Notion pro, using its flexibility to your advantage in ways that go beyond its standard functionalities. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.